Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add website to Google Search Console. So let's just say you have blog sites or WordPress, or if you're about to create a site using Wix or Squarespace. So basically, it's easy to just connect your site to Google Search Console. You just have to search for Google Console or Search Console. As you can see, there is this button below, the blue one. You have to click this blue button that says Start Now. So you have to click this one. Now you will see options here if you have your TikTok, Instagram, if you want to connect your social media account. You can see right here and just click add. But since we're going to paste or we're going to add our website, what we're going to do here is we have to click add a website. Now you have two options, select property type. You can paste your domain right here if your website has a domain already. Okay, it's the easiest way to connect. Now, if you don't have a domain, then what you're going to do is you have to select the second one, which is paste the URL prefix. So only URLs under your website address. Now, if you don't have a website yet, then I strongly suggest to basically create your website using Wix, okay? Or you can also use Squarespace. So here in Wix, everything is easy to create. Some templates are easy to use and also for free. What you're going to do is just go to Wix, create an account. Here, you can create an account with the help of AI. There is this Wix AI right here, or you can just basically create using your own way, like choose the template, add the features, everything is up to you. You can customize your own, or you can ask AI to do that. So you can skip this part or you can answer the following questions in order for Wix to know what type or kind of website you're about to publish or create. Okay, so you can also tap on skip to dashboard. Now here in the Wix, basically before you can create your design or you can create your website, it will take you directly to the dashboard. In the Wix dashboard, here you can change your settings. You can add your payment method, you can change catalogs, you can see your sales, portfolio, application, payment method, inbox analytics, automations. This is your dashboard, but we will not go further to that. To design your site, click Design Site. Okay, you can continue with Setup, or you can also basically look for the passable or free templates that you can use below. So always make sure that these templates are for free in order for you not to upgrade. Okay, tap on Edit, and then here you can just basically edit your template before you publish. Here you can add your features, the information of your website, your pictures, images, videos, and so on. Once done, tap on Publish, or you can tap Preview before you publish. So your site is now live, okay, and then you can just go directly to your site. Now, since you have your site now, what you're going to do is you have to copy the URL of your site and then go back to search Google Search Console. Here you have to paste it right here and then tap on continue. It will now verify the website. You will see the name of your website right away. Okay, here it is. As you can see, this is correct. Now below, you have to scroll down and then look for HTML tag. Copy this one right here. Go back to your Wix settings, okay, or go to your Wix dashboard. Now, here's the thing, there are a few ways on how to connect your Google Search Console. Okay, first is that you just have to simply go to your site settings here, or just go to your dashboard on your Wix. Now, here in the dashboard, you have to scroll down and then look for marketing. Look for SEO and GEO. Click this one. It will take you directly to this. And below, you will see this connect to Google. But unfortunately for this way, it will ask you to connect your domain first before you can connect your Google console. Unfortunately, I don't have a domain. But if you do have, then all you have to do is just connect your domain. And then after that, you should see the box or the place inside the Wix SEO or Google Search Console where you can paste the HTML tag that we have copied earlier. This is what it looks like. As you can see, all you have to do is just connect now and it will be connected. However, they will ask you again to connect your domain first. But that's how easy it is, okay? Also, the best thing is that if you have your domain already, all you have to do is to get that your domain here in Wix and paste it directly to the first option, the property, in the Google Search Console. Okay, and all you have to do is just verify, and it will take you directly to the Google Search Console interface where you can see sitemap and other features there. Okay, so here it is. Once you have pasted the HTML, you will see this one verified. And once verified, you can now have access to the following. Once your website is connected, you can now add your sitemaps here. And then after submitting your sitemap, then you will have the following. You can see the following, okay? And then after that, you can request indexing for important pages. But basically, that's how easy it is to add website to Google search. Always remember, it's important also to have your domain before proceeding with the instruction. But if you don't have, all you have to do is copy your website, paste it on Google Search Console, and then verify. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.